Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you're new here, my name is McKenna and my video is all about decor, everything to do with home and also house hunting. So today I'm going to do the part 2 that had remained for the houses that I went along Wayaki Way, and I did a collab with a fellow YouTuber. So she's known as Kendi Jiru. Make sure you go to her YouTube channel, check her out, and remember to give her a thumbs up and subscribe to her channel and support her, guys. So I'm going to finish up this video, so I hope that you like it. So let's go. So this is the bell to the house, guys. So when someone is in, you press it and they open. So let's go in and see. So this one is a 1 bedroom, guys, and as you can see, that's how the sitting is. Well, I'm still at the door, I've not even entered. So when you just see enter in the main house, in the sitting room area, that's when you see a kitchen on the far end, as you can see. So just let us see. So when I'm at this corner, guys, I think that's when you can place your TV stand over there, because that's where the 2 sockets are, as the other one on top, and there's another one down there, and there's where you can put where you can place your aerial on that wall. So this wall doesn't have anything on it. It's just a plain wall. And then just opposite there, that's when you can see a huge window with a rod, and the door. So the rod is from that side to that side. You're sorted, guys, here for your curtains. And I love the doors. The doors are steel and so strong. So security is well lit. And this is where you switch on your lights. For this one, normal bulb. So as I'm standing at the far end, this is where the sitting area looks like. So I've said, as you stand at the sitting area, right next to it is the kitchen, and let us see how the kitchen is. Wow, guys, I'm still loving it. And wow, this looks so good, even if I've not seen it so well. So this is it. This is the switch to the kitchen, and there's a small countertop over here. The same way they have put something looks like a marble, but the tile is still tile, but it looks like a marble. And as we go in, I think this is a space we can put our fridge. If you have a fridge, guys, you're sorted here. There's where you can place your fridge, and there's this one where you just the switch to put a socket to use for your fridge. Next to it, there's another counter, guys. I love this space, by the way. And this one you can place your kettle, your sandwich maker, all those stuff that people use. You also have another socket there, so you don't have worry. Down here at the counter, there's a cabinets, guys. There's cabinets where you can place your cutleries. And let me stand here so that you can see how beautiful it is, guys. I'm loving it, guys. And on top of the countertop, that's when you see another storage space, guys. Storage space in this bedroom. You're sorted, guys. So here it is. Look. Wow, guys. You can see, look how the meter box is and how they are placing it. You cannot even see it in this house. This is an ideal thing that I've seen in this house. And so the next thing here, you can place your cooker, guys. Another space in between this countertop and the kitchen the sink countertop. You can place your cooker here, and you have this socket also. And this one is for the bell, the one I was talking about. And this is where the sink is now, guys. So let us see how down looks like. And it's a good storage space for placing maybe your things. And on top here, this is like a small space you can place your utensils as you wash them. And this is the sink. This water is plenty. And another storage space, guys, another storage space. Here, storage space is a lot. For a 1-bedroom house, this is enough. So guys, I was saying I'm house hunting for a house, and I think this is perfect. This is perfect. So let me stand here where the kitchen is starting, and this is it's like a corridor. It's a space to the kitchen. So I think I'm saying it's okay because you'll be using one side, and this one is where it's like a walk-through highway. And this is how it is. So let us go and see the balcony of this house. You can see it's a small window and a huge glass door. And on top of it, there's a road. And the good thing with this house, guys, just imagine you are just next to the highway. So you're just walking 2 minutes and you're on the highway, and you don't have to worry when you want to move. And imagine, guys, the 1-bedroom house, it really has huge balcony. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. So this is it. As I'm standing on the far end, that's how it is, guys. So beautiful, so beautiful. This is where your water will be draining from. And at this far end, that's when I'm saying you can place your washing machine here. You have a socket there. You have a tap here for putting in your water in the washing machine, or maybe you're using to wash any other thing, and you're sorted. And the balcony is well lit, guys. I love it. Tell me what you think about the kitchen and the balcony area for the 1-bedroom. As you're from the kitchen, we are now in the sitting room area. There's this wall, guys. It has other sockets on top of here. There's another one here. You can also think of putting something here, or maybe even you can use this wall as your TV area. And next to it, that's when you find the sink, guys. This is it, where you can wash your hands. And they have put for us mirror and a place to place our hand wash towels. And guys, you can see the bathroom, how large it is and spacious. But the first thing that you see, I'm sorry, it's as if water was leaking here. And this is where the toilet is. First you find the toilet. I don't want to go inside and mess up my shoes. I'll step everywhere with that. And that's where you can place your innerwears. You can see at the far end, that's where you can place your soap. There's a tap down there, that's the bathroom. You just separate it using shower curtain, and on top of there you can see they have already installed for us the hot shower, and there's like a small window there. So that's how typically that's how the bathroom and the toilet is. It's a combined one. And also I've forgotten to show you, this is a switch to the using hot shower. This one is for the toilet itself. And just opposite the toilet, that's when you find the one room. Let us see how it looks. So this is it. This is a 1-bedroom, and I'm finding it that it's well lit, guys. You can see because the windows are just opposite. Like there's no other house that is blocking, so there's good lighting. And let us just go get inside. And this is where you first start. Switch to the bulb, and this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, that far end we have a huge window and curtain rod. And guys, you can see the lighting here. I'm not even faking it. It is. And this is how the space is. You place your bed, and that's how it is, guys. And right just to it, this one you can also use as another switch, maybe if you placed your bed here. Now it depends. And then the next thing that you can see, there's another socket here, and there's a mirror here. So you're sorted, guys. And in it we still have, on the left side, that's when you see our wardrobe, just the same as the other 2-bedroom house. The size is the same. The storage up here where you can hang your clothes. You can also place some clothes on top of here, and down there you can do your shoes or maybe other clothes depending on how you place it. Then there's here also, and you can see where you can put your innerwears. Guys, I'm sorry about how the house is. It's still newly constructed and it's not yet washed well. So that's how it is exactly. That's how the bedroom looks like. Let me stand at the far end so that you can see how it is. This is how that's the exact space of the bedroom. So guys, this is the end of the video, guys, and we had come to see one apartment just to check a 1-bedroom house, but apparently we got 2-bedroom unit also, and we decided why not, we should show you also both of them so that you can see the difference of how it looks. And just tell us at the comment section what you think. Kendi, do you have something else to say?
Guys, I can say thank you so much for always clicking on this video. May the Almighty God bless you, and yeah, see you on the next video. It's a bye.
Yeah, it's a bye for Kendi and also for me, Shiko Makena. Kendi here. Check us out if you haven't, and also subscribe, guys. So see you next time with the next video.